Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about waves and its type. So what is a wave? So wave is any disturbance that transfer energy through matter or space. So before discussing the waves, first we will discuss the matter or material medium. So what is the material medium? For example, this is a water. This is a pond of water. As we know that water contains molecule. Water is made up of particles and the particles of waters or molecules. So the water is known as material medium because water contains particle. Any medium that contains particle is known as material medium. So water is a material medium. If we throw a stone in the pond of water, now the stone has kinetic energy and the stone transfer kinetic energy to H2O molecule. For example, the stone transfer energy to first molecule. So the first molecule begin to vibrate. When the first molecule begin to vibrate, it means that the water molecule has been disturbed by the stone. So this molecule will vibrate second molecule. It means this molecule transfer its kinetic energy to second one and the second molecule begin to vibrate. This time the second molecule vibrate the third molecule and transfer its kinetic energy to third one. So the third molecule begin to vibrates. So this time the energy has been transferred from one molecule to another and from second to third molecule. So the water has been disturbed. It means the vibration is also known as disturbance this time because the water has been disturbed by the stone and the wave is produced in the water due to the particle vibration. So therefore we can define the wave is a disturbance. It means this time the water has been disturbed by the stone. The water molecule has been disturbed by the stone and these molecules disturb other molecules and the energy has been transferred from one molecule to another. Therefore, we can say that waves is any disturbance. So the waves that has been created in this water is a disturbance and this disturbance has transferred energy from particle to particle in this medium. So the wave is created in the water due to the particle vibration and the energy has been transferred from particle to particle. So this is the definition of waves. It means that waves is a disturbance in a material medium. Now the waves has two types basically. First is mechanical and the second one is electromagnetic waves. So we will discuss electromagnetic waves in next video. First we will discuss mechanical waves. So mechanical waves are those that require material medium for their transmissions. It means that mechanical waves can be transmitted, can be produced in material medium like water waves or the waves in the roofs. Waves in the roofs or water waves are known as mechanical waves because these waves can be produced in a material medium. As you know that water is a material medium. So mechanical waves can be produced in a material medium like the waves in a ponds. So mechanical waves can further be divided into two types. First one is transverse waves. So what are transverse waves? For example, if we give a quick flick to the roof, so the waves can be created in the roof. This time the particle of the roofs are perpendicular to the direction of travel of the waves. This arrow indicates the direction of travel of the waves. It means the direction of travel of the wave is perpendicular to the wave's particle. If the wave's particle are perpendicular to the direction of the wave travel, these waves are known as transverse waves. As you know, when two lines or a triangle to each other, if they make 90 angle with one another, so these lines, or we can say that these lines are perpendicular to each other. So this time the medium particle, it means the particle of the roof are perpendicular to the direction of wave travels. These kind of waves are known as transverse waves. In transverse waves, the particle of medium are perpendicular to the direction of the wave travel. This arrow indicates the direction of wave travel. So the medium particle are perpendicular to the direction of wave travel. So the second one is longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves, for example, the sound, if we produce a sound in the air, so the air particle begin to vibrate. So this time, this is the direction of travel of the sound waves. The particle move back and forth along with the direction of the wave travel. So this arrow indicate the direction of wave travel, and the particle move back and forth along with this direction. Along with this direction, we can also say that the particle move parallel to the direction of wave travel. So this kind of waves is known as longitudinal waves. In longitudinal waves, the particle move back and forth. The particle move back and forth, or the particle vibrates back and forth. It means first the particle move forward and then backward. This is the vibration. The particle move forward and backward along with the direction of wave travel. This time the particle are not perpendicular to the direction of wave travel, but the particle are parallel to the direction of travel. So this kind of waves is known as longitudinal waves. So that is enough for today.